Hey, it's Jeff with Med-Mart. I'm a product expert here, and I've been a registered nurse for over 25 years. This is a little update on some things to think about with the Med-Mizer ActiveCare bed. One of the best features about this bed is the ability for it to turn and go to a sitting position and allow someone, if nothing else, even just to sit. Once you actually go to turn the bed and activate the pivot part of the bed, there's actually a second setting by holding the button down. I'm going to show you what that looks like. And what they actually took so much time to make sure that the foot drops all the way underneath to a full 90 degrees and the back comes all the way up. Again, to make it much easier to get up and stand and get out of bed. So let me show you what that looks like. So my head of the bed is slightly tilted back and my legs have dropped down a little bit of an angle. And especially now if I have a bed that has the height adjustment, I can adjust this to where my feet are on the ground securely. Now if I want to take this a step further and I am trying to get out of bed, if I press and hold the rotate button again, which is the part I forgot to show on the last video, if I press and hold that button, and now it goes to a second sequence where the entire leg process section drops underneath even further, and it also brings the head of the bed up a little more of an angle to make it easier to get out of a chair, almost like in a position of like a lift chair, for example. And if I do have the bed that has the adjustable height, I can now use the up arrow, put my feet on the ground, take advantage of either the grab bar that can be to add on to here, or even just holding on the side or just supporting myself on the bed. Now it allows me to make it that much easier to get up and get out of bed. When I talked to Med-Mizer, they also let me know after seeing the video that there was one little thing that we forgot to do. When this was shipped to us and set up as a demo, we forgot to remove a little bracket that attaches right here. And the purpose of that bracket is to help secure the bed during transport when it's on the pallet. So there's a little piece of Velcro here. So basically once I was able to remove that, I'm able to now take the entire piece of Velcro, wrap it up there, match it up with the other two Velcros on the side, and this is what keeps this whole foot section of the mattress intact. So if you do happen to have a bed that was set up for you and you still have that piece of metal on there, just go and take it off. It's easy to do with a couple tools. It comes off in just a couple minutes and it's super easy to do. But if that's on there though, you want to make sure you get that off.